Bro, the tomatoes are unreal.
Are they?
Unreal.
You tell them where you are at the Hotel Cost? What?
It tastes so good.
Tell them where you are. Hotel Cost.
Right now, guys, we're at Hotel Cost. You guys know where that is? It's in Paris, and it's one of like the most fancy restaurants. All the celebrities come here. I'll show you guys around quick. But I'm eating lobster pasta right now. But it's beautiful. So, how many people are talking about how I'm live right now? A lot of rich people in here, guys. It's sick though. But yeah, it's called Hotel Cost. And I got some lobster salad with tomatoes in it, and it's delicious. Well, I mean lobster pasta, not salad.
It's just, I know, I'm very conscientious of that because the thing is, I don't play games. So the thing is, I don't want to look like it. You know what I'm saying? I said I don't play games, so I don't want to look like it. Exactly.
21K. We raised for the fundraiser. 21K.
Let's say hi.
Look who it is, guys. It's Kells. It's Hotel Cost. Hotel Cost. Beautiful in here. You guys want me to show the barrel?
I don't want you to show the barrel.
Who cares, man? Oh. He's funny.
Funny.
Everyone say, hey, Kells.
I actually like these light fixtures. These light fixtures are wild because they look like they're candles.
I know, I literally.
He's making good. They would the way that reorganize that. I think you don't.
21K. That is ridiculous, guys. Thank you so much. Let's keep going. That is so awesome. $21,000 we raised for Angelo. That is
When you raise this
amazing.
comes back, you have to show you're on live right now.
Yeah.
The people are so classy. Let's take them on a tour. You don't want to go on a tour? He's not in a tour band tonight. Let's play ABBA. This is chic. This one is chic, William. That makes it be, honey. I love it. What's that? See the statue. Show the statue up there. Yeah, isn't that cool? That statue is beautiful. Beautiful.
Yes, I'm leaving tomorrow morning. I have flights at like 3. Oh, I'm gonna miss Paris. But it's gonna be good to get home too. Play some Xbox, haven't played Xbox in a while, so that'll be nice. And yeah, I miss you guys too. We're gonna get coffee with Whitey back. This has been a fun trip. Fancy dinners, fancy this, fancy that. It's been so fun. But it's gonna be good to get back to. I'm gonna let you guys go though now. Finish my meal. I just wanted to show you guys Hotel Cost. You guys can search it up. It's pretty fancy. Thank you for coming in. Love you guys.